A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5. Diameter of spherical part is 8.5. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Check whether C is correct, taking the above as the inside measure and pi is equal to 3.4. So you have to find volume of sphere. Okay, volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. That's all. It is given as height of cylinder is 8 centimeter. Radius is given as 8.5 by 2. So 8.5 by 2. So here also radius of both, and here it is 1 meter. Is it? That is for cylinder. If you take radius r, capital R, that is 1 centimeter, and height is equal to 8h. Okay, what we are taking, h is same. No. Okay, h is so small is equal to, you can also write h capital. Okay, that is not a matter. R you taken, so h also you take capital, doesn't make difference. Radius r is equal to 1 centimeter, height h, capital H is equal to 1 centimeter. So here also you have to do h. That's all. So amount of the water it can hold is volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So you can take 1 by 3 common, 1 by 3 pi common, so it will be here 3. So 3 will be multiplied with this. Okay, so 3 r square h plus 4 r cube. Okay, r is different here. Okay, so 1 by 3, 3, here r is 1, h is 8, 4 into 8.5. Okay, don't divide it, that's diameter. Okay, let it keep, so it will be easy for calculation. Therefore 8.5 by 2 into 8.5.2 into 8.5 divided by 2. So if you simplify, 2 2s are 4 cut. Okay, then 8.5, 8.5, 8.5, it should be multiplied, then divided by 2. So you will get it 307.0625. If you add it, you will get 331.0625. Okay, then substitute the value of pi, 314 upon 100. Then simplify it, as it will get 446. Okay, which is, so C is not correct, because the correct volume is 446. It's what C found, right? 445. So this. Let's start with additional important question. The sum of radius of the base and the height of a solid right circular cylinder is 37. So means radius plus height is 37. So we can get r plus h is equal to 37. That is given. If the total surface area of the solid cylinder is 1628 centimeter cube, find the surface area. Then it should be square. Okay, if the total surface area of the solid cylinder is 1628 centimeter square, find the volume of cylinder. Volume we have to find. So from this surface area, what we'll get? Relations. Okay, then we'll get h. Is it? By using this. So TSA of cylinder is what? Total surface area is given. The total surface area. Total surface area is what? It is, so total surface area of the cylinder plus total surface area of the sphere. Okay, understand? Because it is given the sum of the radius of the base and the height of a solid right circular cylinder is 37. What is clear? So what we get? TSA, the total surface area of the solid cylinder. Okay, that is solid cylinder means we'll get total surface area. What is the total surface area of the solid cylinder? 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. So total surface area of the cylinder only. So 2 circle will be added, base and top and base will be added. Okay, so 1628 into 2 into 22 by 7 r, set r into r plus h is 37. So 37. So simplifying this, you will get the value of r 7. And so h is equal to 30 centimeters. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Is it? You get So it right circular has a total surface area 462 square centimeter. A solid right circular has a surface area 462 square centimeter. How you will get 462? 462 is a multiplication of 21 into 22. If its curved surface area is one third of the total surface area, find the volume of this cylinder. Now for cylinder, TSA is 462, CSA is equal to one third of TSA, is it? So from this also we will use the relation. First TSA of cylinder is what? This we can get as surface area plus 2 top and bottom. It is added same as first sum. Top and bottom is added, so area of the circle of the top, area of the bottom, so it is 2 pi r square. So total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi in the bracket r plus h, that is 462. We'll keep individual like this, okay. But what is this? This is CSA. CSA is one third of TSA. So CSA of the cylinder is one third of 462, that's 154. But what is it? CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH. So in place of 2 pi RH, we can say keep it as 154. So 154 will keep here. Then what will get? 462 minus 154 is equal to 2 pi r square. So we'll get from first and second. 462 is equal to 2 pi RH. In place of 2 pi RH, surface area, we can write 154 plus 2 pi r square. If you subtract here, you will get 308. Now substitute the value. 2 pi is 22 by 7. R square is r square. We have to find out the value of r square. If you simplify it, you will get the radius as 7 centimeter r. Then if you substitute in the first, 154 is equal to surface area, that is 154 is equal to 2 pi RH, you will get the value of h as 7 by 2. Is it? Now using this r and h, we can find out the volume which is required to find. What was they asked? Find the volume of this cylinder. So to get r and h, after that you can find the volume very easily. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Is it? Substitute this value of r and h. R is 7, h is 7 by 2, and get it simplified. Form of as shown in the figure. The vertical cross section parallel to the width side of the building is rectangle. So this is rectangle. What they said, 7 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter. Got it? So the width of the side of the building is a rectangle of size 7 by 3 meters mounted by a semicircular radius of 3.5. This is mounted at 3.5 centimeter. This is semicircular. Okay, this is rectangle width. Okay, this is, you can say, this is width, which is 3 into 7. Okay, given as, and this is length, which is 3 by 10. And this is semicircle of the godown, which is 3.5. So don't use the formula of semicircle. It is written. It is not a semicircle. If you see this part and this part, it is a half of cylinder. Got it clear? If you cut the cylinder, suppose this is a cylinder, I'll draw it here. It is a cylinder, this. Okay, if you have this cylinder, if you cut it half, it will be look like this top one. Okay, understand? So it is a half of what? Cylinder area, and this is what? Cuboid, because two sides will be there, 4 wall will be there. So this area, this will be the volume of cuboid. Okay, listen. So what we'll get for cylinder shaped roof, radius r is equal to 3.5, height h is 10 centimeter. Okay, this is 10 centimeter. This is height. This is a radius. Okay, which is 3.5. For cuboid, length is 7 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, and height is 3 meter. So the volume of godown is equal to volume of cylinder cylinder, volume of cylindrical shape proof plus volume of cuboid. So it is half of cylinder. See, actually it is a half the volume of cylindrical shape proof. Okay, volume of cylindrical shape proof is half of the cylinder, half of the volume of cylinder. Got it clear? And volume of cuboid is L into B into H. So if we substitute the value, half pi is 22 by 7, 35 by 10, 35 by 10 into H plus 7 into 10 into 3. This is simplified 210. If you cut this, you'll get 285 by 2, that is 192.5 plus 210. So it will be give you as 402.5 meter cube.